Open the gateway box and remove contents. Locate the AC power supply and adapter and connect them together. Remove the gateway from the box. If the gateway will connect to Wi-Fi, install the Wi-Fi antenna and contact Dickson support for instructions for configuring Wi-Fi. Install the LoRaWAN antenna. If the gateway will be using cellular, connect the cellular antenna. Plug in the power cable and hand tighten. Plug the AC adapter to power on the gateway. The startup process may take up to 5 minutes to complete. When the unit is ready for use, the PWR LED remains lit and the status light will begin to blink. Now connect an Ethernet cable from the gateway to the computer. Access the interface of the gateway. To do this, open your computer's network settings and assign the following IP address: 192.168.2.50 with a subnet of 255.255.255.0. Leave default gateway and DNS server information blank. Ensure UDP port 1700 is open to allow in and out communication from the gateway. Open a Chrome web browser and navigate to 192.168.2.1. Click on Advance. Click on Proceed to 192.168.2.1. Create a username and password. Log in with your username and password. If prompted, skip the First-Time Setup wizard. Click on LoRaWAN at the top left of the screen. Scroll down and under Server Address type in us.d1.oceaview.com. Click on Submit. Setting a static IP over Ethernet. Click on Setup at the top left of the screen and Network Interfaces. Click on the pencil icon on the topmost option for Ether. Enter in the network information. There is an option for DHCP in the mode field if that is preferable. If using DHCP, you will need to know the IP address the gateway has been assigned. Click on Submit. Click on Save and Apply at the top left of the screen. Press OK to reboot the gateway. The reboot process will take 5 to 10 minutes. Once the gateway has been rebooted and all changes are saved, connect the gateway to the network. Verify the connection to LoRaWAN. Log in to the gateway interface with the new IP address. Click on LoRaWAN at the top left of the screen. Click on Test LoRa Server at the bottom right of the screen. Confirm message in green, LoRa server reached. Adding a Cobalt X2 logger to DicksonOne. This video will go over the process of configuring a Cobalt X data logger and linking it to DicksonOne. The gateway should be set up and configured before proceeding. Begin by opening the box and removing all the contents. Put aside the LoRaWAN antenna, batteries, and back cover. Install batteries to the Cobalt X data logger, paying attention to the orientation of the batteries. Install the back cover and small screw. Install LoRaWAN antenna. Updating LoRaWAN for DicksonOne. The Cobalt X must be set to communicate with DicksonOne. To do this, tap the screen to turn on the device. Press on the menu icon at the top right of the screen. Press on Advanced and enter in 6 zeros as the password. Press on LoRaWAN. Network. Select the correct region. Press Save. Press Network. Press DicksonOne Cloud. A registration code will appear in about 5 minutes. Register on DicksonOne. Log in to DicksonOne.com. Click on Add Hardware at the top right of the screen. Click on Add a DicksonOne logger. Enter in a name and the registration code displayed on the screen of the Cobalt X. Select your location and press Register Data Logger. The data logger has been successfully registered to DicksonOne.